Okay, so welcome to Adobe Indesign CC 2020. So in this video, I'll show you how to add text to your documents. So if you hover here on your tools box right here, you'll see type tool. So you just click on here, or you can press T on the keyboard and it will come up. So if you click here, nothing happens. But if you were to click and drag, then you can add titles. Okay, or text, shall I say. Right, so here we are. So let's add title, yeah? So you just highlight it. Let's go to 48%, 60, 72. If you don't increase it more, just go up. There we are. And we have Minion Pro as the name of the text, as the font, and then we have regular, and let's change it to bold. Let's change it to bold italic. Yeah, there you go. That's how you add text. Let's see, what else do we have here? If you want to change the color, highlight, go to swatches. You've got pink right here. Got blue as the background. Command Z to go back, or Control Z if you're using a PC. So let's go switch it to blue. Let's see. So we have a blue fill and a black stroke, and you can switch it just here. Okay, so it looks okay, and there you have it. And that's how you add text in InDesign. And if you want to create another box, click T. Oops. Yep. And right click. You can add placeholder text here as well. And this is just random text, just as a filler text, just to fill that box there. So if you want to get another one on the same height and width, right click, then we have fill with placeholder text. Okay, let's move these slightly apart. There you go. Here's my title and here's my text here. Let's see, if we click and hold here, it will give you type on a path to. So if you have, for example, let's see, a shape. Yeah. We have a shape here, and if we click here, and then can you see that plus here? That means you can click and you can start writing. One click, and then you can write. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see. That's better. Hello, how are you today? I am using InDesign CC 2020. Okay, there you go. And that's how you add text in InDesign. So we used title for fill and stroke, we used placeholder text, and we used how to write on a path. Okay, that's it for this video. Until next time, take care, bye.